What's the meaning of cane? Cane. Cane.
Cane. Cane. The word cane can have multiple meanings depending on the context. As a noun, it can refer to a long stick used for walking or support, typically made of wood or metal. It can also refer to the stem of a sugarcane plant, which is used to produce sugar. As a verb, cane can mean to beat someone with a cane as a punishment. In general, the term cane describes an object characterized by its elongated shape, strength, and ability to provide support or inflict harm.